Hi, my name is Vivien, and today me I go listen. Me I go listen today. Today, me I go listen. Me I go listen today. Today, me I go listen. Me I go turn to the and not say nothing. Me I go listen without judge, without make up things in my mind, without focus for other things, all kind of thing, without plan up other things for say, or fix over things in a female mind. Me not go correct you. Me not go say, you say, you say, me say. No, sir. Today, me I go keep my mouth and listen. Listen with me ears, me eye, me head, me heart. Me I go humble myself. Listen with manners, and me now go swell me head. Me I go listen with respect, with patience, with understanding. Yes, me I go talk and taste me tongue. Me go take a child seat. Me go listen good. Listen to feel you. Embrace your heart. Hug you up in my mind. Hear how you feel when Maka joke you. Me I go listen with love, with thankfulness, with enough respect. Me not go make no disturbance. Today, all and all me I go do, me just I go listen. Yes, yeah man, me I go listen today. Yes, me I go listen today. This is the Jamaican Patwa version of the poem Today I Will Listen, written by Marva Shand McIntosh. This is a Fimi version, and we will listen to one another.